In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your posts on CoinMarketCap, a popular website used by millions to find cryptocurrency prices, charts, and market capitalizations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started in cryptocurrency, it's always useful to know how to quickly locate your previous activity on CoinMarketCap. Let's dive in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the CoinMarketCap website. You can do this by typing CoinMarketCap into your search engine or by directly entering coinmarketcap.com into the address bar and hitting enter. CoinMarketCap is a great resource, offering a wealth of information about different digital currencies, from their current prices to historical data. Once the website is fully loaded, you'll be greeted by the familiar homepage, which showcases a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by their market capitalization. Now, to proceed to the next step, you'll need to be logged in to your CoinMarketCap account. Look towards the upper right side of your screen. You should see a profile icon. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu. This icon is where you can find account-related settings and options. If you're not logged in yet, this menu will prompt you to do so. Once logged in, clicking the profile icon will provide you with access to various account features. Here's the key step. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll want to look for the section that says My Posts, or a similar label, depending on how CoinMarketCap may have titled it. Navigating here will allow you to see a list of all your posts and activity on the platform. This area organizes your contributions and lets you manage them efficiently. You'll be able to revisit discussions or retrieve any specific information you've shared in the past. As a tip, if you're having trouble finding this option, try to ensure your browser window is maximized or use a desktop or laptop for a better interface experience, as mobile versions might have a slightly different setup. Additionally, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any loading issues. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find your posts on CoinMarketCap and keep track of your contributions within the cryptocurrency community. Feel free to explore other features of your profile, as they might enhance your overall experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate CoinMarketCap with greater ease. See you in the next